life, and welcome back to my channel. So I've never done this before, and I know that I normally try to not do hauls or any of that sort on there, but PinkFresh Studio loves to do warehouse like buys, and I decided to pick up one because I was like, you know what, there was a lot of good collections that they had that I didn't have much paper for, and if I did get a few of the other embellishments, that was fine. So this is the first time I've ever gotten one of these, and it was like $38 with shipping. It was like $33 and then $5.50 for shipping. I ordered this on Friday and got it today, which is Monday. So I thought that that was perfect for me. So I'm going to go through this. Now, I don't normally order PinkFresh Studio. If it comes in any of my kits from, like, say, the Hit Kit or whatever other kit that I may order, the Secret Not Secret kit, that's when I get it. Outside of that, I normally don't order them. But I have liked in the last year or so some of their collections, and that's pretty much what I've gotten in here. So I'm going to break it up into little sections. I've got it all organized and whatnot. So I'm going to start with the BU. And I got A. Okay. I ended up getting B, which is happy. C, I really love this. Gingham. D. E. F. Oh, look at that page. And G. I love this. It's like, this is my favorite page. So with the BU collection, I absolutely love the BU collection. I never got much of the other stuff to it, and I didn't get any of the papers. So this particular time, I got all of just the papers. And the next collection that I put together is Let Your Heart Decide. Now, I do have some of their collection, so I do have a couple of duplicates, which, if I can get to 20, I'm at 2,400. So I am waiting to do almost 1,500. Once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. And I'm slowly but surely starting to put things off to the side that I know that are full collections that I've gotten, and I'm just not wanting to use, but I know that if I hand it over to somebody, you guys would use it as well. So there is a couple of dupes, but I have no issue with that because, one, I do subscriber giveaways, which is amazing. You guys know I do. And then, two, I also don't mind doing it twice. So I ended up getting these stickers from BU, which is like leather type stickers. And then I got the 3D ones, like the layered stickers. I absolutely love these. These are new for me. I didn't get those before. I have gotten these alphas, and it came open. They shoved a bunch of other stuff in there. So, but these are, I love these alphas. I've got a set, and I only do alphas one time. So for me, these will definitely go in a giveaway. And then the papers. So I ended up getting this one, which is C. I love this. I love both sides. And I didn't get much of this collection either. So this makes it awesome because I ended up getting a bunch of the ephemera pack for this one, and I didn't know what to use it with. So now I've got paper, which is awesome. I love this page. I'm more of this side. I love this side better than this side. But this is E. I love this side. I just love it. This is G. And this page has never been my favorite. I just don't like, it's just not me. I don't like it. It's H. So I will say this is going in a giveaway. Every time I've had that paper. That particular paper I have had 4 or 5 different times, I swear. And this one is on the Dream On, and it's rose gold. I love this vellum. It's awesome. Okay, so now the couple of different ones, I'm going to do these. These are the Live More stickers, and they're like foiled chipboard. So it's just that side. And then this is the Minx. Yeah, the Minx. And this is like the cardstock sticker type. Okay, and then this one is a Simple and Sweet. So I didn't get any of this collection, but I got the little alpha stickers. So this will work perfect. So I got the enamel dots, the epoxy badges, or they're like stickers. And then I got the frames. Okay, and then now the papers. And then it's D. I always feel like I've got like 2 or 3 papers. D, because they're so thick. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then E. I love this side. I love that side too. I'm going to have a hard time. And the one thing I love about these collections is they match so it's just amazing. They match so well together between each other that I could definitely do the mix and mingles. This is F. And this is H. I love both sides. Okay, so then I ended up getting the case of the Blahs. Now, I got the 6x6 paper pad, which you all know people have done this. And then I've gotten the stickers, or the ephemera pack. Okay. And then I got an A on that. B. I'm going to save this for my son because he is supposed to be coming this summer, which as long as everything goes well and his job allows him to be off, because he does work. He works at Burger King, and so if he does come, this collection will be perfect for him because of the color tones. Oh, this one was number C. And then number D. I love the splatters. And then F. There's that. And then G. And then H. This is my all-time favorite. So I ended up getting a couple of their collections and the hip kit for December along with their exclusive kits, and I am telling you, this holiday vibes works wonderful, and I didn't pick up a single set of this, and that's why I absolutely loved getting the warehouse buys, because you get quite a bit of product for relatively cheap. I mean, in retrospect, if you can definitely get any warehouse vibes and warehouse boxes, I think that those are the best, especially if you like the company. I do like these guys. They're just a little bit spendier on, like, if you purchase it separately. But with a warehouse, it actually worked out. They said that the value of this, which I can definitely see, is at like $120. And then, like I said, I only had to spend $38. So that's not too bad. So here's the epoxy stickers. I don't even know what one this was. This was for 2008. It has to be this one because it matches. And then we got December days. Now, I never received that, but I don't do much wood chips, so this is going to go in the giveaway pile. Okay, so I got the epoxy stickers, or enamel dots, my bad. And then I got these ones, the wood chip stickers, and then the puffy stickers. Look how gorgeous that is. And it matches so well because my December daily, for the most part, for 2018, because I do December daily a month behind or a year behind. So if you if you're new to my channel, you will find out in the month of December, I do more of a December documented. And I do a year behind. And I added this year Sparkles, which is the elf on the shelf. I added that to this year as well. So you will see a Christmas in July series, and then my December documented, where the whole month of December is all about Christmas. Christmas this, Christmas that, Christmas whatever. So you will see a lot of this come back out. And then I got the colored chipped wood stickers. And then I got the chipboard stickers. Look how gorgeous these are. I love these. And then here are the papers. Now, I got quite a bit of papers, too. And this is A. B. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh. C. Gorgeous. D. E. Oh my gosh. F. G. And H. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so that is the warehouse that I purchased. Again, I typically don't do these on there, but I just wanted to show you guys that the warehouse buys, if you are looking to purchase a bunch of product, but you're okay with the older stuff like I did here, I have no problem with the older collections that is on here, due to the fact that I love these, but I just never purchased them separately. This is a way to do it, and this is like what a lot of us scrapbookers do, is that we watch for the warehouse buys, because you get quite a bit of it. So I hope that you enjoy this. I understand a lot of people don't like this, but I just wanted to show you what I have gotten. So if you like and subscribe, and watch for when I use PinkFresh Studio, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!